Hi, I'm Maya, welcome to my channel. Just a while back I was creating my first ever reading journal, and because I gather a lot of my inspiration for my bullet journals on Pinterest, I found an interesting spread which I wanted to try out. My first edition of this spread was made for books, and because I liked that one so much, I decided why not create one for movies as well. And because Halloween is approaching so quickly, why not make one for Halloween movies? So here it is, I'm creating a Halloween movie bingo. The movies that made the cut into my bingo spread are chosen because I think they fit perfectly for Halloween season. Maybe if you would do this or you are gonna do this, you could put other movies here. I am not that big on horror movies. I get scared really quickly, so these are more light movies, not really horror movies. So if you're a horror fan, you're gonna cringe when you're gonna see which movies I chose to put in here, but okay. I think these movies fit perfectly for Halloween, in my opinion. Don't flame me because I am weak while watching horror movies. Some of these movies are scary to me, okay? For the first movie I chose Corpse Bride. Perfect for Halloween. Most of these movies are gonna be a rewatch for me. I watched most of these movies, but some of them I haven't. Also a rewatch for me is The Monster House. My little sister was obsessed with this movie, so I watched this movie at least 60 times, I swear. I don't know how this is a child's movie, but it's perfect for Halloween. I'm gonna watch it again. Third movie I picked, obviously Coraline. I watched Coraline at the cinema, so yeah, I'm flexing on you with that one. I think Coraline is my favorite here. Yeah, Coraline is my favorite. The Addams Family just is gonna fit perfectly into this theme. I'm gonna watch the movie and the cartoon. Both are marvelous. I was also on a live play once of The Addams Family and I enjoyed it immensely. It was perfect. I just love the story, love the characters. I love it. First movie I haven't watched yet from the list is Scream. I'm just gonna see. I saw that there's an old version and a new version. I don't know which one's better. Tell me in the comments if you know. I'm just gonna watch both. I just googled it. There are 5 movies. Scream. Is this gonna be a marathon for me? Tell me in the comments. Are they worth it to watch them all? If not, I'm just gonna watch the new one. Next movie is Happy Death Day. This movie is so good. I love movies with time loops. Time is repeating here. I love it. I also watched this at the cinema, but it was a while back, and now there's a sequel, which I haven't watched yet, so I'm gonna watch the first one and the second one, of course. I thought that I watched all of the Tim Burton type of Halloween animated movies, but I haven't yet, so I added Frankenweenie to this list. I haven't watched it yet, but the photo I found on Google, it was so cute. I have to watch it, right? Next movie is Beetlejuice. I also haven't watched this one yet, but I was inspired by hearing the sounds and watching the videos on TikTok, of course, so I have to watch it now. Edward Scissorhands is not really a Halloween movie, but you know, Tim Burton. It's just perfect for the Halloween aesthetic. Next movie is Goosebumps. I was obsessed with the book series Goosebumps when I was little. I just read all of them. At least the ones we had at our library at the school. I just read them over and over again. And Jack Black is starring. I have to watch this. Also a movie starring Jack Black, The House with the Clock in Its Walls. I watched this with my family once, but it was a while back and I really liked it, and I think it fit the Halloween theme. I can't remember the storyline, honestly, so it's perfect to watch it again now. Another movie which is not connected with Halloween at all, but I think it fits the Halloween aesthetic, if you know what I mean, is Alice in Wonderland. I loved this story when I was little. I just loved the whole plot. I just loved how magical it was. I've already watched the cartoon Alice in Wonderland, but I haven't watched the movie yet, so I'm gonna watch it now. To be honest, I'm not really sure why I added Nightbooks into this list. I have no idea if this movie is good, but I'm still gonna watch it because I was curious when I saw the photo. Same as Frankenweenie before, Paranorman fits the Halloween aesthetic, but I haven't watched it yet, so I'm excited about this one. I love animated movies. This list was lacking comedies, so I decided to add one comedy, and it's Adam Sandler. Of course, I added this one, Hubie Halloween. I've already watched this one, but I want to rewatch it. It was funny, it was light, it was cute. Okay, this one is obvious, The Nightmare Before Christmas. I just have to watch this every single year. It just makes a beautiful transition from Halloween to Christmas. So I'm gonna watch The Nightmare Before Christmas on Halloween. So I finish this month of October and then Christmas season can start. I can't wait. So this is my Halloween movies bingo. It just represents a perfect end to my October bullet journal. If you want to see my whole October bullet journal, I'm gonna include the video here so you can watch it. Just click here. And this concludes this video. Are you gonna watch those movies as well? And if you're gonna do your own movie bingo, send a photo of it to me. I want to see what you create. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for staying through the whole video, and subscribe if you want to. I wish you a very spooky Halloween and a nice day. Bye!